What's up guys, Sal here. So 2 weeks from now, OnePlus will officially launch the OnePlus 6, but in the meantime, we have some hands-on images of the handset. These mostly focus on the front panel of the device with no real surprises in store. Sadly, the photos don't show the back of the unit, so what is visible is the bottom side of the device, which seems to differ from the one on the Oppo R15, mainly in the inclusion of the USB Type-C connector. It also gets sized up with devices like the iPhone X and the OnePlus 5T. So that said, I want you to take these images with a little bit of skepticism. There are a couple of reasons for that. Number one is the images are very low in resolution, and most of the time it's a giveaway that it has been photoshopped. Other reason, and the most important one, is that the alert slider on this device is at the left side, but OnePlus has confirmed that it's gonna be on the right side. So yeah, probably these are photoshopped, so take them with a grain of salt for now. So we have the pricing details of the OnePlus 6 via a trustable source. The source in question previously provided the pricing details of the last year's OnePlus 5 ahead of its official debut, and if the information provided is once again accurate, the OnePlus 6's pricing looks set to kick off at $555 for the 64GB model and $600 for the 128GB model. Anyways, the OnePlus 6 event is scheduled for May 16th, and phones should go on sale about a week later on May 21st. And subscribe for all of the coverage on the OnePlus 6, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.